morning, guys. Welcome back. I hope you can hear me. Uh, Aside from it being loud in here, I hope you can still hear me. We are back here at the property to empty the water that we brought from the rental. And they mixed some concrete. I'm thinking they are already started the hollow blocks there for the fence. I'm guessing that's what it's for. They also take the forms from this side for the flat beam. And they are still digging, cutting some steel. I don't know where's the other dogs. I'm looking for him, but I couldn't find him anywhere. So I have to find the other dog. I'm gonna have Mark give you more updates once it's done helping with water.
All right, welcome back, guys. We're out at the property. It's a little after 8. We just dropped off some water. They're already mixing and pouring and stuff. So um, they're going to be forming up flat beams up here. I believe they're going to be doing the hollow block wall over on that lower side of the property. Boombay's up doing steel for the roof already. So you can look up here and see what the angle of the roof is going to be like on the sides. And this side and that other side by the dirty kitchen are the same. And then the middle part slopes back this direction. We showed you the angle yesterday of the hollow blocks. And then they're going to put the beam on top of that, so the water will drain off coming back here. We're going to have gutters. So we're going to have the at least some portion of the rain and water we're going to collect from the roof, not only of the house but of the little cottage and the shed as well. So we have plenty of barrels, as everybody knows. So right now, guys are like, it's like a bunch of worker ants here. They're all over the property doing, just spread out everywhere, doing random stuff. Just some are digging on the fence over here. Some are doing the hollow blocks. Looks like Renee's over here doing some hollow blocks. Freddie's pouring in some concrete into the hollow blocks by the wall here, and so it's just pretty much everywhere on the property. You got workers running around. There's steel work being done over there. Marlon is over there doing that. Our new guy that came along. Um, so yeah, it's a busy morning. We have our electric hookup. We just have to get our electrician out here, see how long it's going to take to get the power panel in here. So we will hopefully see him here the next little bit, and we will keep you guys updated as we go along through today.
Parang pwede nang pitasin tong mangga. Naninilaw na yung iba. They had corned beef this morning. They like it. They put some chicken in it. Ginagawa.
Yung stirrup.
Kung paano ikinakabit ng ganyan. Ayan, tignan nyo.
Nakikita na nila. Live.
Hi guys, I am here in our baja because the I have the dogs with me, and we are here at the harbor to stop by to get some order. We're going to take them to the vet to have their first check up and to see what do they need, like vaccine, deworm, and to get all the fleas from their skin, their body. And then we're gonna go there after Ed is done. And then we'll stop by, get some more gas for the mixer after. But yes, I know they don't know what's going on, but everything will be okay, baby. You'll be fine. They're getting bigger, and they're getting bigger for the kennel because this is our cat's cage, but they don't have a leash at the kubo. So yeah, we are going to the vet. We are going back to the resort. We are back here at the property. So the dogs are happy. They gave them deworming pills and what? No, I forgot. I'm in there. Like,
Tell them this was their first vet visit.
so that's their first vet visit. After 2 weeks, they're gonna come back for their first shots. Their first I don't know what they will give them, But we have to take them to the vet because they're gonna be our dogs too. So now they are happy at the vet. They're both scared. They don't want to get out of the cage. They're like don't know what's going on. But right now they're back to their usual spot. And this is the update on the wall at the lower part of the property. We already have this
It's nice and angled.
beam
Great.
formed and now they are pouring it. Dahil lang ka pa nanunula. I did not have the high fear of heights in there. At naman si Ed. Pag si Ed yan, nandito pa lang yan sa biga, hindi na. These guys will not go back to the palace until before. So yeah, they're gonna bring you news tomorrow. I said, we can do it here. I think this is done. Before the beam, right? Okay. So these are already all the steel, the main steel for the roof on this side. And
All right, guys, welcome back. We're here at the property. It's about a quarter till 5. The guys are shutting everything down, stopping for the day, and
Okay. Oh, thank you.
they've got all of the columns poured with the footers along through here. So they've got 4 sections of initial hollow block down here for the wall. The beam will be above that, so you'll see where the beam comes all the way down to the end. And they've started digging the upper part of the wall, as well as you can see the roof a little better now. I think Manlin got some video earlier
I'll need more. I'll take some more videos
of
after.
the how it's being connected. So all of the steel, all of those channel bars, the big C channels, are being basically attached to all of the columns in the house. So those aren't going anywhere. Those aren't going to fly off. You know, I'm not saying that the sheet roofing won't come off at some point with a high wind or something. That's possible, but I don't think these steel C channels will come off, because at every point that they can be, they're being welded to the columns. So they're very strong. And some of the places he has actually wrapped the steel, like on this corner one, wrapped the steel around it and welded it in to place. So I guess if it's like Wizard of Oz and it just takes the house away, then I guess it'll go. But they poured the other beams inside here today, the flat beams. And then they got I think they poured that one in here too. In this little flat beam up here. Looks like they did. They poured it. So the flat beam for the
lower area.
This lower area, yeah. There's a piece of steel that's going right here. You can see it up there. But it needs to go on top of that. That's why they needed to pour that one little section right there. So this definitely gives you an idea of what, if you're standing here in the kitchen area, how it's going to look. There's definitely a transition from here to the living room, and then there'll be a dining room table over there and stuff. So it's definitely, you can definitely see it now. It's looking really nice with the wall up there. So we're trying to decide. You guys have been good telling us about whether we want to expose the beams or not. And we have another question. So if you look at these pieces of steel for the roof, would you rather see the ceiling for this section and the other section, the bedroom section, would you rather see it just above this big beam, kind of flat, or would you rather see it angled up a little bit? It wouldn't be too much. It wouldn't be all the way to the steel, but we have quite a bit of room between the top of that beam and the steel. So let us know in the comments and let us know what you think. It's not really a wasted space, even if we do it flat, because we're going to put in gypsum board, drywall, for those of you that from the States, you know, drywall. And then we're going to put some insulation above that. And then there'll be the roof up above. So it's going to create kind of a hot space up there. So this is looking really nice. They'll probably do the flat beam tomorrow along this part over here, I would guess. They did all of this today. And Boombai's been up there welding a good portion of the day. Hopefully tomorrow is Friday, so on Saturday we will have our electric, our temporary power panel and all that good stuff. Hopefully it will be up and running on the property here. That will be a huge deal for us. We don't have to run the generator all the time. But if we have a brownout or whatever, we can still run the generator. So it's actually really nice to have the generators. And so that's it for today. Pretty humid. It's been really warm here lately. So we did do something for all of the guys. It seems like a really minor thing, but what was it, a couple days ago, I was out here trying to find a measuring tape, and I have several out here, and the guys are using them, and that's fine, but I could not find one that wasn't broken. You know, the guys brought their own, and so, you know, I was trying to measure some stuff, and I could not find one that wasn't broken. So we went, and it just so happens that there's a sale right now on measuring tapes at City Hardware. So we went and bought every one of our workers a measuring tape. So they all got brand new measuring tapes. So they were all happy about that. So, and now I can go around and I can find a measuring tape almost anywhere now. So that's going to do it for today. We'll be back tomorrow, and probably with some more flat beams, maybe some more column pour, and definitely more steel going up for the roof. So with that, as always, thank you for watching. Leave your comments down below. We'll respond as quickly as we can. And share with your friends, family, all that good stuff. And come back tomorrow and join us again.